Perfect for crafters or hobbyists for a permanent repair on the ground or in the air. Fix flexible cords, small or large, so you always stay charged. Use it to repair a strap on a leather handbag in 5 seconds or less. And because 5-second fix only cures with the power of the UV light, you can position and reposition your repair so it perfectly fits there. Plus, 5-second fix is completely sandable and paintable. Your repair will be like new. Whether it's plastic, wood, metal, or glass, let 5-second fix repair it fast.